China published a study claiming the J-20 defeats the F-22 Raptor 95% of the time. What the headlines didn't mention, the same study showed a single J-20 without drones loses over 90% of the time. As tensions with China continue to rise in the Indo-Pacific, Chinese aircraft are increasingly engaging in belligerent actions. The Chinese are pushing on all fronts in the Pacific, trying to intimidate their neighbors. China wants Taiwan, the small island nation which was the last vestige of freedom, where the nationalists fled after Chairman Mao and the communists took over the country in October 1949, following World War II. China wants a bloodless takeover, especially to control the lucrative semiconductor industry. Taiwan produces more than 60% of the world's semiconductors and over 90% of the world's most sophisticated chips. A couple of years ago, the South China Morning Post published a highly misleading article claiming that the Chinese J-20 stealth fighter would win 95% of the time against the American F-22. And the story keeps popping up in conversations, despite the fact that if anyone were to read the entire article, it would show the exact opposite. Here is an excerpt from the piece. To be cautious, the Chinese jet's technical specs, including radar prowess and stealth capabilities, were deliberately set lower than its American counterpart. The outcome? In every scenario, the Chinese fighter emerged on top with a win rate exceeding 95%. This performance was attributed to the J-20's ability to team up with 2 to 3 unmanned drones. These aerial companions could scout out the enemy, draw fire from the F-22, and launch multi-directional attacks while the human-piloted J-20 struck the decisive blow. The landscape of modern air combat has undergone a paradigm shift thanks to rapid advancements in information and drone technology, wrote a research team led by Zhang Dong, an associate professor with the School of Astronautics at Northwestern Polytechnical University. Headlines from China recently featured statements from Chinese computer programmers who posted that the J-20 would win engagements 95% of the time against the F-22. However, that is if the J-20s had 2 loyal wingmen. The US is also developing the same program. The Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program is a US Air Force initiative to develop a new type of uncrewed jet-powered aircraft that will operate alongside and collaborate with crewed fighter jets. These are already flying and being tested. However, in the same computer simulations conducted by Chinese programmers, it was reported that the simulations also revealed a single J-20 equipped with 8 medium-range air-to-air missiles had a less than 10% chance of defeating an F-22 equipped with 6 AIM 120C missiles, according to the simulations. All signs point to a possible conflict with the US, South Korea, the Philippines, Australia and Japan in the not-so-distant future. And China is modernizing its military. Its Air Force and Navy are growing by leaps and bounds. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon was built in no small part thanks to stolen documents that Chinese espionage hacked from the US about the F-22, F-35, as well as the Russian MiG 1.44. The US F-22 Raptor has been the standard at which all fighter aircraft has been measured against for more than 20 years. Yet it still sits at the top of the mountain in terms of dogfighting ability, stealth, supercruise ability, maneuverability, and integrated avionics. So, who actually wins? Let's look at each aircraft. The Chinese J-20 fighter was designed and built by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. The J-20 Mighty Dragon is a 5th-generation fighter that has the NATO designation of Fajin. The J-20 is a large aircraft with a wingspan of 44 feet, a length of 67 feet, and a maximum takeoff weight of 81,660 pounds. While early models of the J-20 utilized twin Russian AL-31FM2 engines based on the engines that powered the Russian Sukhoi Su-27, later models switched to Chinese WS-10B power plants as part of a broader transition of China's fighter fleet to domestically produced engines. The J-20 has also been seen testing a new and more powerful WS-15 engine. With WS-10 engines, the J-20 has a maximum speed of Mach 2. The jet is capable of carrying various weapon systems, including the Very Long-Range PL-15 missile, PL-21 Long-Range missile, and the LS-6 Precision Guided Bomb. First seen in November 2024, the J-20S is a two-seat variant under development. It is a long-range, multi-role, stealthy fighter jet that can also team up with unmanned drones and aircraft. The loyal wingman concept that the US is also testing. Currently, China has between 270 and 300 J-20 aircraft. The F-22 Raptor remains the world's best pure fighter aircraft, but its service window is closing. The Air Force plans to replace the Raptor in 2030 with the F-35 and the Pentagon's next-generation air dominance or fighter, the F-47. We've already built and flown a full-scale sixth-generation flight demonstrator in the real world. And we broke records in doing it, Will Roper, director of the Pentagon's Strategic Capabilities Office, told Defense News in 2020. We are ready to go and build the next-generation aircraft in a way that has never happened before. However, the US Air Force's decision to prematurely halt F-22 Raptor production at just 186 aircraft was a strategic blunder that has created a dangerous air superiority gap. What makes the F-22 great in a dogfight is the aircraft's thrust vectoring capabilities. Its two engines have specially designed nozzles at their ends that can move on a vertical plane to vector the aircraft's 70,000 pounds of thrust in one direction, even if the aircraft is heading in another, thus allowing the F-22 to do some impressive acrobatics, as well as leverage a highly high angle of attack during a within visual range engagement. The USAF currently has approximately 150 combat-ready F-22s in its inventory. While the J-20 can carry an enormous payload, most of it must be carried on its external pylons, which will reduce its stealth capability. Due to the size of its long-range missiles, it can carry only 4 internally. The F-22 can carry 6 AIM-120 AMRAAMs and 2 AIM-9X Sidewinders in its internal weapons bay. And stealth is already a factor that the J-20 is behind the Raptor. The J-20's radar cross-section is about 35 meters, or about 100 times more than the Raptor, not counting the additional weapons on pylons. The J-20 lacks a cannon, which could mean that designers didn't intend it to be a dogfighter. The Chinese may view the J-20 in a more interceptor-like role, using its long-range missiles to penetrate opposing air defenses by engaging and destroying enemy fighter patrols, early warning aircraft, and refueling tankers. The speed of the Raptor is about 1,500 mph. Reports of the J-20's new WS-15 engine now put it roughly on par. The J-20 has a considerable advantage in range, with a combat range of about 1,100 miles, while the Raptor has a range of about 650. However, the Air Force and Lockheed Martin have developed a conformal external fuel tank for the F-22 and F-35 that won't affect its stealth, similar to what Israel did with their F-35 Air fighters. The Low Drag Tank and Pylon program is a Lockheed Martin effort to develop stealth-compatible external fuel tanks for the F-22 Raptor, significantly extending its combat range for Pacific operations without sacrificing low observability. These tanks feature a low-drag, sleek design and can be jettisoned to leave a clean, stealthy aircraft profile or left in place. These can go into combat, says Katie Ciccarino, Vice President of Lockheed's F-22 program. They are droppable if they need to be, she added. But the idea would be not to drop them, and to retain them throughout whatever the pilot is doing and then coming home and being able to use them again. Both the current and new external tanks provide F-22s with an extra 850 nautical miles, 1,570 km of range, according to Lockheed. There is the answer.